Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote is designed to make speed adjustments, lighting control, and fan operation simple from anywhere in the room. However, when the remote suddenly stops responding, even basic functions can become difficult to manage. The issue may be caused by battery problems, signal interference, pairing settings, or communication issues between the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote and the fan receiver. Fortunately, many of these causes can be checked in just a few minutes without taking anything apart. In this video, we'll go through several simple troubleshooting steps that may help get your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote working again. Try these. Step 1. Replace batteries in the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote. Step 2. Check power to the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. Step 3. Point the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote directly at the fan. Step 4. Inspect dip switch settings on the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote. Step 5. Reset the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. Step 6. Test the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote again.